Welcome to Morrocco Method International, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder and CEO. And on behalf of myself, my family, my friends, and most of all our team here at Morrocco Method, we want to wish you the most blessed and joyous Christmas ever, this sacred and joyous holiday. Our health is our wealth. This has been my motto for over 55 years. And today at 76, I am proud to announce that I have no doctors, no medication, no supplements, no pain. This is really very powerful, and I want to express that to everyone and all of you to live a most natural and stress-free life possible. No deadlines, no stress. Just having a real focused form of life. We all have talents, we all have strong points and weak points. So let's all work toward our strong points this holiday season, giving thanks for all that we have and all that we do not have. We lead here at Morrocco Method through education. I really am very proud of the many videos that we have created, the literature that we have created. Get educated, read your ingredient list of all of our products, 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 elements, fire, air, earth, water, ether. So let's be healthy, happy, wealthy, prosperous, and above all, blessed well-being. A very joyous and a very prosperous and a very blessed happy holiday season. Merry Christmas from all of us here at Morrocco Method to all of you. And thank you for your great support. We really appreciate everything and every one of you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We look forward to 2020, a very exciting year.